Today's going to be a little bit different video. This is Darren with Madcap Toys, and of course Kathy's behind the camera today. But today we are going to begin a new way of doing things, hopefully. We've just got in today our first ever GoPro. We got in a GoPro 9, and Kathy already opened it so we could take and register it with the company. And it comes with all this stuff here. This is basically a packet, Kathy, as you know. Gives all the instructions there. This is going to be the item in which we start taking in a lot of our videos on them, for YouTube. There's that. Kathy, if you know any of this stuff, let me know. There it is. Little mounts. Kinds of stuff. I send it all in this little package, which I like this little carrier in case here. Okay. Then here's the actual camera. I've got it actually plugged in, so because we're charging it, because I really want to use it, and to be honest with you, I've got it plugged in so that I can touch it before my son Justin touches it. And anybody that knows Justin knows what I'm talking about. Okay. And here's my memory card, of course. I don't know if I got anything else in there. Nope, it's good. And an extra recharge battery. Kathy, do you remember exactly what this thing cost us roughly?
With tax, $447.
Okay. And then we got the three-way 2.0.
And then explain what that is.
Well, basically, it's what I call a handheld mount, where you basically carry it around to where you can take and it'll video you doing stuff, or you'll be videoing what you want to look at and show to people. And this is primarily why we wanted to get a GoPro instead of using our iPad or phone, because the quality just appears from what we've seen online to be so much better, and also you can just do so much more with it.
Is there also a way to use it as a tripod as well?
Yes, there is. You can set it up. I haven't done it yet, but I'm sure that's one of the first things we'll be doing, because we're going to be showing through this our toys. Hopefully get a lot better pictures, better quality, and when we do a few little traveling videos or whatever else we do. All right, here's my little certificate there for that. And oh, by the way, guys, just to let you know, I finally got my COVID shot. 51 years old, got told I could get it, so I went and got it. I got, I believe it was Moderna. I go back in 4 weeks to get my second shot, and we got to get Kathy going on hers here real soon. But anyway, also we're going to combine this video in with what came in video. Right, this lot here, I'm still behind on Lonnie and Candace videos. I'm trying to do that without having a problem. But this is from Lonnie and Candace, and we got a thank you note from them, of course. And we ordered some action figures from them. We got a rare Batman action figure. He's in an armored suit.
Okay.
Do you need me to show him around? No? Okay. I got a Remco vintage action figure.
What type is it?
This is like this isn't G.I. Joe, but it's along the lines of G.I. Joe. It's from Remco. Okay, I'm going to have to do some little history on him and see what his actual name is, because I'm not familiar with him. But he's from 1986, and I got him because of Remco. And like I said, I'm not as familiar with the toy line because I don't have a whole lot of Remco action figures at this point. When I get them, usually they go within a matter of days or weeks. Very rare do I keep those for months. Right? We got in another action figure, roughly 6 inches, Martian Manhunter. Okay. I got him because he's got what we used to call shark head look. Okay. And then here's the last one I got from Lonnie and them. This one here is what I call Scuba Diver Batman, because he has like a breathing apparatus here. And then there's the back side again, about 6 inches here. All right, then I got a few more action figures to show you that we got in from another vendor down at Edinburgh toys. Okay, we did grab some Transformers. This one's called Windblade. Okay, I'll put those up like that. There. We got a good deal on the single cloud car. I try to get these guys, and for you guys here that are into Star Wars, and I know you're going to have a lot of people tell you otherwise, okay? So you do whatever you want to do, but I encourage you guys to start grabbing the Star Wars Kenner / Hasbro line of the Power of the Force, Power of the Jedis, because these vehicles are getting harder to find in box. Now they're still out there, they're relatively available, but if you can grab them and hold on to them, you're going to have some money. One of the most undervalued lines right now, in my personal opinion, is Shadows of the Empire, because it came between the great Return of the Jedi series and Power of the Force, Jedi, etc. So one of these days, you guys that have those action figures or vehicles, you're going to have some money if you keep them in their box. Okay, so we'll put him like that. We got, let's see who she is. Spider-Woman, I always get that. Okay. Got her. Okay. Right. Wish these people would not put these tags on there so that I could show them without having to cover up things and people think that's what they got. Okay, this here is Dax Jadzia, Deep Space Nine, Klingon outfit. Okay, this here is Major Vonrig. Got a little issues on the case, but that's okay. People will want him for Army Builder. Then you have here Jim Hadar. Got him at a very good price. One of the warriors from the Gamma Quadrant. Good Army Builder piece, guys. Again, what I always say, grab those Army Builders while you can. Okay, let's see here. This here, Captain Marvel. There's another one. I don't know if there's a little variance in there or they're about the same. I think we got another one of it. And then here's the man, Magneto. And last but certainly not least today, and yes, these here you can tell were still from the line where they Edinburgh, where they sit there and they had to use bags because they run out of boxes. Okay, and we have Beast. Okay. All right, well, guys, that's what we've got this week to show you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me your comments down below, your thoughts. I appreciate anything that you want to say. We'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That helps us out so much. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.